you so much.
Where do you come from?
Poland.
Oh. And you?
Spain.
Spain. Guys, English, is it okay?
Yes.
So the name of the river, Buna.
Yeah.
Do you know why the river is famous for?
No.
It's one of the biggest sources of water in Europe. So every river has a source, right?
Yeah.
Now the source has a capacity, the volume of water that comes out. And people came, they measured 40,000 liters of water. This place here, in front of us, this is the deepest point in the river, 100 meters. And that's actually minimum because we had a professional diver and he went inside 97, but he couldn't find the bottom. Now every year, August and September, we have a cave diving seminar. Different teams come and this is the place where they go. Why? Because they want to see how do you get water, where does it come from. So French, they discovered a big canal system. After 30 years, there is a big canal system going to the cliff. And the tunnels, they bring water here from different places in Boston. So Buna source, it's a combination of many different waters from different places mixing, and this is the only exit point. The divers, they come every year, August, September, and they are following the tunnels. They found many caves inside with oxygen, lakes, water, even if there's fish swimming there blind, trouts, they don't come out. So it's a full ecosystem going throughout the whole country. And that's why it's so big. Many different waters connect to create this source. Temperature of the water, 8 degrees, and it's good to drink. The blue-green color you see, it's a reflection from the rocks that have many minerals, like cobalt, magnesium, but it doesn't affect the quality of the water. It's pretty good to drink.
So this is the deepest point, and here
This is 10 meters on this right side and 4 on the left. There's a big fall here. This is where they go inside and follow. They went 1 kilometer so far, the divers inside.
The fountains that are just here, does the water is directly this one or
Yeah,
it's...
yeah. This is most of the homes in Blaga. When you open the tap, this is what comes out. But we drink it straight from the river. It's good. In the winter time, we are closed. Everything is closed. Touristic season doesn't work because the level of the water is so big.
Right.
You see that green color?
Yeah.
That's the level. We have a lot of rain coming October, November, and then the whole cave is going to be closed. It's a big, big difference.
What's that over there?
That was a light many years ago. Now it's like a bird house.
Yeah.
We transformed it when it stopped working to a birdhouse. Yes.
Why
is it forbidden to swim here?
Because of this house.
Because
Yeah, it's like a spiritual place. A lot of people come to do prayer or meditating. So to make like a big noise or swimming doesn't add up. Down the river, you can swim anywhere you like after the restaurants and bridges finish. But here in this area, it's for contemplation, for peace.
Is this place open?
Yes, yes, it is. It's like a museum. And like, nobody lives actively in the house anymore, but there is, I don't know how to say it. You know Darwish house?
Yeah.
Darwish are the like monks, priests. They are spiritual, and they come. They visit 3 days a week.
Okay.
Thursday, Friday, Sunday, always the same day. They come late at night, and they have a ceremony inside of the house. Yeah. They sit on the floor, make a circle, and then they swing slowly by saying religious chants, alms, or different type of meditating.
So apart from this arena, is there anything nearby? Or
Well, in Blaga, not really. There's a fortress, a castle up on the hill. I don't know if you've seen it. It's a nice place, nice view. It's not that hot. Now it's very, very close. And if you have time, go to, there's a thing called Lazy Bar. Like, there's a Google address, Lazy Bar. Lazy Bar, yeah. Nice place. Thank you for coming, everybody.
thanks.